Okay, so this is lesson number 5. Class 5, subject English, lesson 9. And what is the name of the lessons? Festivals of Festivals. Okay, so I'm presenting the lesson using the slideshow. Hornbill Festivals of Nagaland is an annual event. It brings together the tribes of Nagaland to display their culture and traditions. So here you can see this is Hornbill talking about the Hornbill Festivals of Nagaland. This is their annual event, and these festivals bring together the tribes of Nagaland. तो ये फेस्टिवल्स के द्वारा क्या होता है, जो नागालैंड में जितना सारा ट्राइब्स होता है उनको एक साथ में लेके आना आते हैं. तो एंड दे display their culture and tradition, and a festivals में what they show their culture and their tradition, what they use and all. So through these festivals they show that. Now this is lesson is starting. This is the picture of the Hornbill festivals. So these are the people, these are the tribes of Nagaland. They all stand in row and they are dancing. There are people, spectators, they come to see the program. Okay, then starting the lesson, the Naga dancers stand in row, their feathers, headdress rising high. All the dancers wear red and black costumes and carry spears. Then, with a dramatic roll of drums, the show begins. The dancer of the tribes of Nagaland begins their performance with warrior drums keeping a beat. So here you see the lesson. They are telling that all the Naga dancers who are dancing, they stand in row. Their feathers, they put feathers in their head, which is rising high, and all the dancers wear red and black costumes. So which color costumes they wear? Red and black, and they carry spears, one type of instrument. Yes, uh, like a what do you call it? Like an axe looking. I'll show you the picture. Then with a dramatic roll of drum, the show begins and they play the drum, and then dramatic roll means they do dance and all the rolls begins. The dancer of the tribes of Nagaland begins their performance with warrior drums keeping a beat. When they start their what do you call program, they play the drums, that is warrior drums. I'll show these things. This is the spear. I talk about the spear. See, they use the spears, and this is the drum, that is warrior drums. They play the drum, and their festivals begins. This is the dramatic beginning of the famous Hornbill festivals of Nagaland, also known as the Festival of Festivals. The festival is named after the great Indian hornbill, a colorful bird with a huge curved beak and eye-catching feathers. The hornbill has a very loud cry and is believed to be a symbol of strength and courage in the folk culture of Nagaland. So here they said the Nagaland is a very famous festivals, that's the Hornbill festivals of Nagaland. It is also called festivals of festivals. And then why this festival's name came? The festival is named after the great Indian hornbill, a colorful bird with a huge carved beak and eye-catching festival. Now the hornbill festival, why this name has come? Because of the bird, hornbill bird. Hornbill bird is very colorful bird and it has a beautiful beak, huge beak it has, and its eye-catching feathers and beautiful feathers it has. It's attract everybody look. Okay. So Hornbill has and what this Nagaland folk people, the folk culture people, they believe that the Hornbill has a very loud cry, matlab their voice is very loud, and they believe that it is the symbol of strength and courage. That's why they keep this name of the festivals, Hornbill festivals. Every tribe has its own harvest festivals. The Kuki celebrate at the festival called Mimikot. Mimkot. The Konak tribe celebrates the Aloeng festivals, and the Au tribe celebrate the, this is Motsu. Motsu festival. The Hornbill festival is unique as all the tribes gather at the Naga heritage village near Kohima to celebrate their common culture and heritage. So here, this Nagaland, they have the different types, and all the types they had different name. They have their different harvest festivals. Yes, these are the name they have given, and their festivals name also that given. And this Hornbill festival is very unique होता है क्यों ना क्योंकि all these tribes they come together and they perform their own heritage. Okay, and then where it is, and they come near Kohima, which is the city capital of this Nagaland, and they celebrate their common culture and heritage. All together, they show their what is the common things that they show in their festivals. At the festival, the 16th officially recognized. It is the recognized festival, which is number is 16. Okay. So the 16 officially recognized Naga tribes introduce their culture to the visitors. The lively traditional music and dance performs make the spectators sway to their rhythms. A delicious spread of traditional Naga food is arranged for the guests. Exciting sporting events like wrestling and archery contests take place, and exhibitions of handcrafts, paintings, sculptures, and wood carvings are put on. So here in this festival, this is the 16th number. Okay, festivals. It is recognized now by officially recognized these festivals, and they are this is very lively. Music is traditional music and dance performed, and which is spectators, matlab the people who come to see this, they enjoy to their rhythms. Okay, when this music play, they enjoy it so much. The delicious food also, Naga food, they guest serve the guest, all the guests they get the delicious food, Naga food. Exciting sporting events also is there, for example wrestling, archery, it is also there. And also there are exhibition, they show exhibition of handcrafts, paintings, sculptures, and wood carving. Sculptures means the things they made from stones or clay or mud, they make it, that is sculptures. And wood carving, the things they made from the wood. Okay, so that also they put for uh, what you call exhibition in this festivals. The Hornbill Festival was started in the year of 2000, and it starts on 1st December and goes on for 10 days. It was started by the government of Nagaland to encourage amity and understanding among various tribes. At the Naga Heritage Village, there are 16 cluster of huts and dormitories called monks, one for each tribe. So here amity means friendly relations. Cluster means group. So here this is festival start on when in the year of 2000. So 2000 the year this started, and it's every year it start on 1st December and it goes on till 10 days. 10 दिन तक ये प्रोग्राम चलता है. द 1 दिसंबर का प्रोग्राम शुरू होता है, and it was started by the government of Nagaland. So ये प्रोग्राम किसने शुरू किया था? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ नागालैंड. क्यों शुरू किया था? टू एनकरेज एमिटी एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग अमंग वेरियस ट्राइब. तो फ्रेंडशिप रिलेशन बढ़ाने के लिए, और जो अलग अलग टाइप्स होता है नागालैंड में, उनके अंदर जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग, मतलब एक दूसरे के समझ सकता है. तो that's why he has started this program. And the Naga heritage village, there are 16 cluster of huts and dormitories called monks. So all these like it is cluster means the group. Okay, 16 groups of huts and dormitories, they make a monks, one for each type. So एक एक टाइप के लिए एक एक monks होता है, जिसमें 16 group of huts और dormitories एक साथ में रहते हैं. Okay, so हर एक टाइप के लिए एक एक monks रहते हैं. Okay, for complex is built in architectural styles typical of tribe, and each monk offers food and herbal medicines that the tribe specialize in. As they live together for 10 days, the tribes share their varied customs and traditions. So for this ये जो जो बिल्डिंग जो होता है, दिस बिल्डिंग दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स, फॉर ईच कॉम्प्लेक्स इज बिल्ड इन आर्किटेक्चर, मतलब architectural type, architecture they give the design and all to, with that they make this, okay, and this each type, the typical type of tribes, whatever the tribes like they make like this. And each monks they offer food and herbal medicine that the tribe specialize in. The tribe they are very specialized on this herbal medicine that they offer. And as they live together for 10 days, 10 दिन के लिए वो लोग रहते हैं, तो the tribes share their varied customs and traditions. तो एक पूरा all the tribes they live together for 10 days, तो एक दूसरे को food and their custom they share. What do you call this? Share with each other. At the Kohima night bazaar, the streets are crowded with people enjoying themselves. As the sun goes down, visitors are welcomed by brightly lit street lined with stalls packed with colorful flowers, handcrafts, and food shops offering a variety of food. People play games and wander around happily, shopping and enjoying themselves till the early hours of the morning. So here what you see, the Kohima night bazaar, matlab the night bazaar in Kohima, the streets are crowded with people. The all the roads are full of people. Okay, and they enjoy themselves. During the program time, they're talking about that. And as the sun goes down, means when it is evening, the visitors are welcomed by the brightly street light. So the lights are full of, streets are full of light, and the with stall packed with colorful flowers, and all the stalls, the shops, all stalls, the roadside stalls. This is um, packed with full of colorful flowers. So there are handcrafts and there are food shops offering a variety of food. So there are stalls. There you see the colorful flowers, handcrafts, and food shops. They are offering variety of food. People play games, and so there are people what they do. They play game. They wander wherever they want to go. They go happily. They shop things from the shops. They do the shopping. They enjoy themselves till the early hours in the of the morning. Means daytime. In the morning time, they do all these things. The Hornbill Festival celebrates the past year's past, yet keeps in tune with the modern times. Over the years, many new events such as fashion shows, photography contests, car rallies, and marathon have been added. People look forward to rock music concert which is said to be the biggest in India. National and international rock groups perform to a large audience of young people dancing to the music. So now here there's a Hornbill Festival celebrate the past. This is the past thing, their culture they show, but still they keep touch with the modern things. Yes, अभी का जो चीज होता है, their program is up to date. मतलब not only they show their culture, their heritage, but what nowadays in modern age, whatever is there, new things that also they have added in this. So over the year, many new events also, for example, fashion show, photography contest, car rallies, marathon, all these things they have added in their festivals. People also now they are looking forward to rock music. Now they are going putting the rock music concert also, which is said to be the biggest in India. तो इंडिया में जो ज़्यादा है तो वो भी it is there in this. People like so much this rock concert, which is over there in Nagaland. National and international rock group perform in what they perform to a large audience of young people dancing to the music. Now their rock music, it is national, even the international level also they are perform this dance. The young people they are dancing with a large audience. The many people come to see this program. So this is very famous for this. So here the meaning is keep in tune with modern times, means stay up to date. मतलब अभी जो आपका जो चीज जो हो रहा है तो वो भी इस हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल्स में ऐड है. पुराना चीज के साथ नया चीज का जो है. Once you visit the Hornbill festivals, you realize why it is called the festivals of festivals, as there are young and old share and connect with the past and the future through Nagaland wonderful culture. So that's what they say. Once you go to visit the Hornbill festival, then you realize why it is called the festivals of festivals. Because here you will find the young and old, they share and connect with the past and future. मतलब past जो होता है and अभी क्या होगा, future में क्या होगा, they all are connected with this. So that you will see in the Nagaland wonderful culture. So this is the end of the lesson. So I'll stop the class over here. Thank you, students. Please read the lesson several times, try to understand. And I think you have studied this in your social studies, some of the maybe third standard class or third or fourth. So you know about this thing. It will be easy for you to understand. I like to end the class over here. Thank you.